Do you get enough protein? Do you get enough of this, enough of that? I've had enough. Eating healthy shouldn't be difficult. First of all, everyone should have enough disposable income to go grocery shopping regularly. Everyone should have a large enough variety of food products, including fresh produce, to choose from. This is just about basic human dignity. For this video, we assume that you are in a position, financially and mentally, to think about your food choices. If you're not, we are sorry and we hope your situation improves quickly. How can we make eating healthy easier? There are various aspects to consider. What kind of groceries are you buying? Which of those do you actually prepare and eat regularly? Do you eat out a lot? And what aspects of life affect your decision making around these questions? Don't blame yourself if you think you are struggling or failing when it comes to healthy eating. Adulting isn't easy. It's okay to not have a super clear plan for your grocery shopping, to fail to prepare and eat produce before it goes bad, or to order food or eat out regularly. We don't need to be perfect to eat a healthy enough diet. The circumstances you are in determine the means you have. If the circumstances change for the better, you would also quickly notice an improvement in your shopping and eating behavior. Let's go over some tips on how to eat healthier, which do not involve spending many extra hours on grocery shopping and cooking, or spending extra money on foods or supplements you don't need. Within the eating habits you already have, let's think about minor changes that can improve your overall diet, like what to pick for eating out or ordering food, what groceries to buy and how to best prepare them. Let's go step by step. Let's start with eating out or ordering food. Our first tip is to go for the veggies. If possible, also go for the legumes, so beans, peas, lentils and soy. This often means to go for the plant-based options. Try out different plant-based options and go for those which do not come with too many refined carbohydrates, like white bread and French fries, and those which are not too oily. So go for the bean burrito, the falafel wrap, the vegetable sushis, etc. When ordering food, think about preparing some healthy additions or even substitutions. While the food is being delivered, cut some fresh veggies or prepare some complex carbs like brown rice, potatoes or red lentils. In effect, you can either order less or get more meals out of the food you ordered, with all those meals being a bit healthier. Let's tackle grocery shopping and preparing meals at home. You can only prepare and eat what you have at home. This has a positive and a negative side. If you bought healthy ingredients and you have the leisure to use them, great. If you have both healthy ingredients you need to prepare, but also some less healthy ready-to-eat meals, you might opt for the ready-to-eat meals and neglect your fresh produce. That happens. And if you don't have healthy ingredients at home, well, so how can we best improve these dynamics? If you notice that you cannot handle fresh produce well at this moment in time, buy less. That's fine. Go for frozen produce like pre-cut vegetables, fruits, berries, etc. You might find a handful of products that you like and that you find easy to prepare. If you can handle fresh produce well, that's great. Keep at it. Be mindful of the amount you buy. It is good to have a clear plan for certain produce that goes bad quickly. And don't beat yourself up if those plans do not work out in the end. In addition to fresh produce, having some healthy frozen options as backup might still be a good idea. When it comes to less healthy food options, like snacks, too many baked goods, or less healthy ready-made meals, it's not like you can never ever eat them. If you do want to eat less of them, here are some tips. You can try not to buy them, let's say, mindlessly, when going about your regular grocery shopping, but instead only buy them if you really want them and actively think about them. Changing your habits around grocery shopping can help here, like going to a different store or using a different mode of transportation. Another tip is to focus on replacing these foods, not to avoid them. Is it the convenience you like? The taste? Think about healthier alternatives and try to have those at the ready. For salty snacks and bread, an alternative could be to eat more of your regular meals. You don't have to meal prep religiously. If you generally prepare larger portions, have some fresh vegetables prepared to start your meals with, or have the extra complex carbs when ordering food, you should end up with leftovers to eat instead of salty snacks or bread. This does not work all the time, but it doesn't have to. When it comes to sweets, just be mindful about not eating too many at a time. Treat them as a small dessert after you had a real meal. If you feel hungry, go for a proper meal, not sweets. That's fine, you should eat when you are hungry. Don't overthink all of your food choices. Food should still be able to bring you enjoyment and not stress you out all the time. Take the easiest advice from this video and try to apply it to your life. We hope this video gave you a good overview on how to adopt some healthier dietary choices. If there was a helpful tip for you, please subscribe to our channel for more tips on healthy plant-based eating. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.